couple of weeks ago, I bought Tabitha Sewer PDF pattern, and hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIY and fashion. And if you haven't already, push that red button down below, and subscribe to my channel. Video, I'm going to be doing a review a little bit different than what I usually do. A couple of weeks ago, I bought Tabitha Sewer's PDF pattern. I don't know about you, but it's a love-hate relationship with me. So I love it. You don't have to deal with the shipping. It's straight downloaded to you through your email or the account. And I'm an impatient type of person when I buy something. And the hate part, a lot of paper, a lot of ink, cutting around the entire border for 60 pages and putting it together. Whoa. Like, whew. Oh my god. Just talking about it is like, now you can start doing what you could have done if you just straight bought it done already. So, but with her, I bought the PDF form because I wanted the pattern so bad, and I just wanted to see how the dress is formed. Because when it comes to a pattern, I feel like anything could be made if you just know the basics and the shape of the pattern. First of all, when you download it from her website, you pay for it and it's shipped to your email. And you have 24 hours to receive it or to download it into your computer before it's not there for you to download it. So you have 24 minutes to download, 24 hours to download it. And so I was just curious to see how many pages is it going to take. When I downloaded her PDF pattern, I felt like I was going to get like 60 pages. Shockingly, only took 20 pages. 20 pages. Like, my other patterns that I've tried with the PDF was 60 pages. That was just a lot. But I was dedicated. I had this idea in my head that I want to make this type of dress, that I was inspired by a picture that I saw on Instagram. And it had the cute little strap ruffles on the side. And I actually bought the fabric, I want to say the day of. So yeah, it was kind of put on the back burner because everything and like the shipment with fabric is just becoming delayed. And I'm kind of curious to see how it's gonna come out because the inspiration that I got, the fabric was kind of shiny like this. So I bought lining, and it says it's black lining, but we'll see how it turns out. It's gonna be like the ruffles, and it's going to be on top of the lining of the skirt that's attached to the top of the dress. So it also requires a 7-inch zipper that I bought in black, and I'm going to have a little pop of color with a yellow belt and a cute headband that I'm going to make. But I don't want to leave out that she does send everything in with the pattern. She has the instructions right here, like how a regular pattern will be, and she also have her introduction on the side, and also you can put your little measurements right here, like a little notepad. If you want to know how this project turned out, stay tuned. So if you can, by just purchasing you know, some things from like a local or small business, please do. That's what I did in this situation. She's a small business, and also she's a woman, and she's a woman of color, so why not support her? If anybody have any suggestions on like small companies that do patterns, I would love to know about them. Please put them in the comment below. And if you like this video, please like it. If not, you know, dislike it. You know, it's totally fine. You will see my final look next week. Just stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.